Hi everyone,
Hello, A&P Adventures here. I'm Aaron,
and I'm Patrick.
and we're so pleased you're with us today here on Fifth Avenue.
Floral Fifth Avenue.
Yeah, it is blooming, and we're going to show it off.
That's right.
It is May 15th, 2023. It's about 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon.
Yeah.
It's a gorgeous day. It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, 23
Yeah, about that.
Celsius, roughly. So it's a beautiful day to show off some blooms, both real and faux.
Yeah.
Faux fifth blooms. All right, here we go. All right, so we're starting roughly at the corner of Fifth Avenue and 59th Street. And we are starting right by the Pulitzer Fountain in front of the Plaza Hotel. And our exhibit begins right here. They've transformed this entire plaza, the Grand Army Plaza. This is going to be going on from May 1st through May 31st, this entire month of 2023. And it's all sponsored by Van Cleef & Arpels, the luxurious French jewelry store. They have their iconic shop here on Fifth Avenue, and we'll be showing that off. This is the Pulitzer Fountain right here, by the way. Now, all of the work is by French illustrator Charlotte Gaston, and we'll see 10 colorful sculptures along the way. And it's all going to be complemented by live flowers. And it'll go from here at 59th Street all the way down to 50th Street. So we'll be ending our tour kind of down by St. Patrick's Cathedral today. You're going to see in the background the beautiful Plaza Hotel. Now, Charlotte Gaston is a French illustrator, and she does children's books, so you'll see a lot of our exhibits look like pop-up books come to life, which adds quite a bit of whimsy on busy Fifth Avenue. So shall we show them off?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, here we go. That was a blooming good time.
It was. It was Happy Blooms Day.
Yeah, happy Blooms Day to you as well. Thank you, Van Cleef & Arpels and Charlotte Gaston for
Yeah.
brightening up Fifth Avenue in New York City.
Really classing up the joint.
Exactly. If you like this video, we have others in our Unique New York series you can watch, or
right.
if you want to see some tours around the city or beyond, you can check out any other videos on our page. Be sure to like us, subscribe, and click that bell for notifications.
That's right. Or write a comment about which bloom was your favorite. And if you want to support us, you have our PayPal link and our Buy Me a Coffee link attached to this video. Thanks so much.
We'll see you on the next adventure.